PCI DSS requirement 5.2.3 addresses the evaluation of systems that are not at risk for malware and periodically reviewing those to verify that that list of systems is still accurate. Threats evolve and change. We have a lot of clients that choose not to install anti-malware software on Linux systems or Mac systems. We recommend that you seriously consider installing anti-malware software on all of your systems for which you can install it. And if you choose not to use anti-malware on Linux, Mac, and other types of systems, review that carefully every month or every quarter and evaluate the threats that are out there to better protect your systems.